a few tips related to Instagram. Apart from Facebook, everything remains the same. Almost everything remains the same in Instagram and Facebook, in terms of content strategies, in terms of basics. The few things which changes here at Instagram, first of all, Instagram, you can't operate from your system. When I say operate means I can't upload anything over here. Okay, so you have to use the app. That is the only option. Okay, there is no other option you have first. Second, you can post either image or a video, nothing beyond that. Okay, if you have to post a link, you can't post a link. You want to place a text, you can't place a text at all. Okay, either it should be a video, it should be a text. Like this is a video, and whenever I talk about captions, the captions should not be very long. It should be 100 to 150 characters primarily. Do not try to cross that unless and until something interesting or new stuff you are doing. Then you can do that. Otherwise, no need of as such crossing that limit. Okay, something which is very long, need to explain it. Try to explain it in the video, but still you want to write it, you can write it, but preference is that only first. Second thing. Third thing, use of hashtag is critically very important. It, it has almost zero importance in terms of Facebook, but it has high importance in terms of Instagram. So a lot of people keep me asking how to generate these hashtags, what should be the analytics around it. Whenever people ask me, the answer to that is that look at this. Whichever hashtag you are using, how many posts are there? If there are too many posts, there are two things in it. The first thing is whenever you are selecting a hashtag, the first thing is you have to look at the current status of your page and how many likes, comments, shares you can get. Okay, it's not that if you're getting five, you will select this. If you're getting 5,000, you will select this. Yes, it is that only. Okay, you have to select according to the followership or the engagement you get generally on your post. Look at this. It has got 52 lakh posts or 5.2 million posts. You look at each of the posts. Okay, each of the posts which is ranking has almost 100 200 plus of engagement. Okay, in popular one, which always comes. Then most recent one generally doesn't come on mobile phone. Okay, so this is coming because you are seeing on desktop 95% or I would say 99% of the audience of Instagram is using app only. Okay, they never used, almost 60% of the Instagram audience has never opened their Instagram account on desktop. You can imagine that. So recent never comes. Okay. So there are two type of posts, most recent and popular. Okay. Top post or popular post. So the recent one always comes on desktop, but nobody opens the desktop one. Always people open the top post. So if you can get these much number of likes, then only you should use that particular hashtag. Otherwise, don't use that hashtag. Because if you are not ranking, then the chances of getting engagement from these hashtag is almost zero. So if you are not getting anything out of that hashtag, there is no point of using that particular hashtag. So always use a hashtag which can give you some engagement or where you can rank or you can get some initial engagement. Okay, like there are related hashtag it has shown. So you will see 20 lakh posts, 100, one is 4,000, another is 7,000, 7,200. Dekho, these are very popular ones. Okay, so इसमें भी आप रैंक, यू कांट यूज इट, देन यूज, लुक एट दिस, इसमें कुछ के पास 131 है, 100 भी है, अगर आपका 100 में आते तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज मूव टू दिस, इसमें कुछ कम लग रहे हैं, ठीक है। तो आपको हर हैशटैग देखना पड़ेगा जिसमें आपको कम लाइक, कम एंगेजमेंट वाला पोस्ट दिखेगा, उसमें आप वो हैशटैग यूज करना। अब आपको बहुत कम हैशटैग मिलेंगे जिसमें 100 से नीचे लाइक होंगे, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, जब आपने आपने देखा कि मैं जिस इंडस्ट्री में हूँ, द इंडस्ट्री यू आर इन, यू every single hashtag which is relevant to you has approximately 100 likes on an average. So what you can do is you can boost your post. जैसे अभी in the previous section yesterday, what we did is we start creating post. आप पुराना old post भी यूज कर सकते हो और उसको बूस्ट कर सकते हो। Instagram post बूस्ट करोगे तो you will get engagement. Engagement means like आपके हर पोस्ट पे अगर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 100-120 लाइक आने लगे तो यू विल कम इन टॉप पोस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली। ओके, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू टॉप पोस्ट यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग एंगेजमेंट। ओके, if I can join this call, give me a second. If I can join this call from phone now, let me show you some of the account things. Okay, give me a second.